Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be a little different from what I usually do on my YouTube channel. And as I am a girl's girl, मैंने बहुत सारा मेकअप मंगवा लिया है like from टीरा. कुछ मेकअप मैं जाके लेकर आई हूँ स्टोर से, कुछ मेकअप और ये सब कुछ मैंने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करा था. सो इट्स अ लाइक क्लब्ड हॉल जिसमें मैं बहुत सारी क्रेजी चीजें दिखाने वाली हूँ और ये सब मैंने विद इन 3 to 4 days करा है. सो ओके, लेट्स बिगिन विद द फ्रीबीज जो मुझे फ्री मिला है. फर्स्ट आई गॉट दिस फेंटी ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन कार्ड विच इज बेसिकली लाइक यू कैन ट्राई ऑल दीज फाउंडेशंस एट होम so that it is easy and convenient for you to choose what shade you are from the Fenty Beauty ऐसे foundation types. You can see कि ऐसे ये बहुत सारे foundation के shades हैं. So this was a freebie. Then I got this La Mer का The Eye Concentrate. This was also a freebie when I went to the store. I got this for free. It's of no use to me although, but freebie is a freebie. Yeah. Okay, so Tira started a vending machine concept जिसमें उनके पास सिर्फ 6 ऑप्शंस ही थे एंड उस 6 में से I chose this one because और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. The packaging is although very cute. It's although very small, very हल्का फुल्का सा बॉक्स जिसमें मुझे ये मिक्स सून का सूडी सेंटेला सम एसेंस आई गॉट. इट्स अ कोरियन स्किन केयर ब्रांड. आई होप कि अच्छा ही निकले तो बेटर है. बट इसमें 3 जो ऑप्शंस थे वो इन्हीं तीनों के थे और बाकी कुछ जी से कुछ कंपनी थी उसके ऑप्शंस थे, वो भी कैसे सैशेस टाइप सी था. सो आई डिडंट क्वाइट लाइक इट बट ओके. Let's move on to what all I bought online. I was finding sunscreens from a very long time and I got my hands on this Dot & Key Mango D-Tan SPF 50+++ sunscreen. And I mean, this is a steal deal, you guys. This is a steal deal. First of all, I was excited by the fact that it has mango in it. Just look at this, it's going to get absorbed very quickly. It just goes into your skin like nothing. And it's all like absorbed in my skin without leaving any white cast. And this is for the face only, by the way. And इसका MRP I'll write over here कि मुझे कितने में मिला था. वैसे it's for 445. Then another sunscreen I got again from Dot & Key and it is the watermelon sunscreen and this is also SPF 50 PA+++. This is basically a spray sunscreen for the body. This sunscreen. इसमें basically नीचे I think it's aloe vera water and ऊपर it's the sunscreen. So you mix it and then you spray it. It works like this. Wait, this is open now. And this is closed and it's a crazy sunscreen but still it works like मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी sunscreens है and I can trust Dot & Key blindly with their sunscreens. So yes, it's totally worth buying. तो अब हम आते हैं like makeup पे. So the first thing I wanted to get for myself is a powder blush because I was using a Swiss Beauty का ऐसे palette जो आता है 8 shades वाला, वो मैं 3-4 साल से यूज कर रही थी and now I needed something good but not very expensive, not very cheap. So I went for this PAC Spotlight blush and इसकी packaging देख के तो भाई साहब I mean it's very impressive. Just look at the packaging, guys. Just look at it. The shade is Leading Lady. Fine, it is a very cutesy सा pink color. मैंने ऐसे मिरर का वो कवर सा नहीं हटाया है अभी तक because I've not started using it, but this is a very crazy product. I'll just show you the swatches. 1, 2. See, crazy pigment. I'll just see, and it's also magnetic, by the way. So it's very cool. The pigment is here. It's good only for like 600 rupees. It's good if you want something luxe but not that expensive, so this is the right blush. Next up is something that I was looking forward to from a very long time because मैं पहले mascaras use नहीं करा करती थी. It was very like irritating to my eyes, but अभी recently like last year से ही मैंने mascaras use करना start करे थे. तो पहले मेरे पास एक Maybelline का Sky High mascara था जो कि बहुत trend हुआ था, वो pink color वाला. I got this recommended to me by a lot of my friends. तो इसलिए I got the Too Faced का mascara. I got it in the mini size because first I wanted to be sure about it. Then only I'll buy the bigger size. And this is how it looks like. It's the Too Faced mascara. You open it, like the wand is really pretty. It's very precise, and I think this is going to help me even more to like the mascaras, and I think it's going to be a good useful product to me. And by the way, I got it free from the Tira Points. And the next thing I bought is a lip gloss from Bobbi Brown. I already had one from this brand, but I wanted another one because I'm just a girl. Okay, I got it in the shade New Romantic, a very pretty shade. Wait, ये कैमरा में different लग रहा है, but it's a mauvish brownish shade, but it's a very light nude shade. Wait, it's clear. So this is the shade that I went for. It's a very pretty shade, okay. And obviously I have a like fair skin tone, तो fair skin tones पे तो ये बहुत सुंदर लगती है. Although मैंने ये try करके ही लिया है. And I got it at discount. Everything I bought was on discount. मुझे कुछ भी on price नहीं मिला है. So steal deal होती है भाई लड़कियों के लिए. Whenever we see something is on discount and we want it, we always go for that only when it is on discount. So that is a girl math. Okay guys, for the next thing I have the Huda Beauty का For Filler lip gloss in the shade Bombshell. So basically this is a gift for somebody, so I cannot show it to you ऐसे open करके. But I already have this Bombshell lip gloss and it is just so perfect. Like it is a very like girl shade. Like just look at it. It's so pretty. And the last product I got was again a gift for somebody, which is this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna lipstick. It is a Stuna lip paint. It's a long wear fluid lip color and it is in the shade Uncuffed. Okay, and it is by Fenty Beauty. Of course, we love Rihanna. Okay, इसका packaging देख के I तो got fida packaging देखते. I was like, I need this lipstick, and this is how it looks like. It has Fenty Beauty written on it, only if you can see it. And then this is the shade. It is a very like, wait, it's this wand. And yeah, that's a gift for somebody. Woohoo. Okay guys, that was it for my Tira haul. I hope कि आप लोगों के लिए कुछ चीजें helpful रही होंगी. And yes, that was it for this video. I hope that you like this video. I have tried something new from the regular videos that I usually post and make. And I think if this works, I'll be making more beauty content as well, rather than making all those different vlogs and everything. Although vlogs आएंगे very soon, vlogs are also coming. But I'll also try to keep something different every time I try to post something on YouTube. And बस आप लोगों का support चाहिए, nothing else. Next video is going to be on air soon. Bye guys, love you.